plastic, eyes of glass. Up it soars, skyward fast. Viper sees what I can't touch. Burning woods, a painter's brush. Red and gold fire ignites the trees. Orange winds ride the autumn breeze. Viper's view of the world so wide. Falls bright blaze where secrets hide. Hills roll out like a patchwork quilt. Shades of glory nature built. Rust and amber flames collide. From this height, no place to hide. How does it feel to watch it all? A drum's cold gaze on the colors of fall. Red and gold fire ignites the trees. Orange winds ride the autumn.